Okay, so everybody stand up. Muhammad, please lead us a prayer. Alhamdulillah. Okay, so good morning, class. Again, good morning, class. Okay, so very good. But before we start, let me know who is absent today. Okay, Cecilia and Hagyar. Okay, but before we start in our discussion, I have here a classroom rules that you are going to follow. Understand? Clap twice. Very good. Okay, so here's our classroom rules that you are going to follow. Please listen. Dustin, I hear your voice. Okay, so here's our classroom rules. So first is keep hands and feet to yourself and sit nicely. So you are going to sit nicely. Understood? Understood. Cody, listen to me. Pay attention. So you are going to sit properly. Understand? Okay, very good. Okay, the next classroom rules that we have is listen to your teacher. Right, Muhammad? If the teacher is talking in front, you are going to listen. Okay, understood? Okay. And the third classroom rules is raise your hand before speaking. Okay, so if you have a clarification, you are going to raise your right hand. Understood? Cecilia? Okay, so the fourth one is participate. You're going to participate. If you have an activity, you are going to participate. Right? Okay, clap thrice. Very good. Thank you very much. And now, last meeting, we talked about the what? Alibay? About puppet. So, what are the types of puppet that we have last meeting? Okay, the finger puppet. Very good. Aralyn. What? Huh? The shoe puppet or the paper puppet, right? Okay, so now I have here activity and all you have to do is to observe. Okay? Right? Hagyar, are you listening? What are you going to do? Okay, so I have here a video. So all you have to do is pay attention and observe. Because later, I have a question. Ali, please pay attention. Please pay attention. Cody, listen. Noah Kael. Please listen. What, January? Huh? Okay, so later. Talk about later, huh? Okay, so I have here a question, class. So did you see the video now? So I have here a question. Okay, Noah Kael, please stand up. Okay, so my question to you is, what have you observed about the video? Can you please louder your voice? It's all about making paper bag. Okay, so very good. So give Noah Kael a Coca clap. So did you know what is Coca clap? Okay, so like this. 1 Coca, 1, 2 Coca, Coca. 1, 2, 3 Coca, Coca, Coca. Okay, again. Give Noah Kael a Coca clap. In 3, 2, 1, go. 1 Coca, 1, 2 Coca, Coca. 1, 2, 3 Coca, Coca, Coca. Okay, so very good, Noah Kael. Okay. Cody, please stand up. The next question is, what are the materials did you use in making a paper bag? Paper bag. What else? Glue. Very good. Glue. What else? Scissor. Yes, of course. Okay, so very good. So give Cody a Cody clap. So like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Cody. Very good. Okay, again. Again. In 3, 2, 1. Give Cody a Cody clap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Cody. Okay, so thank you very much. Okay, so now, but before we proceed in our math lesson or discussion, I have here but before we start in our discussion, let us read our objectives. Okay, the first row, you're going to read the content standard. Second row, you're going to read performance standard. And the third row is you're going to read a learning competencies. Right? Okay, so the first row, read our objectives. Louder your voice. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, the second row, performance standard. Second row, don't sing song. Okay, thank you very much. And also the third row. Okay, so thank you very much. Okay, so do you have an idea what is our topic today? Yes, Cody, it's all about what? Are you sure? Okay. Okay, so our topic for today is all about package product design. Okay. So our topic today is all about package product design. So what is all about? Okay, so first things first. So here's our topic for today. I hear your voice, Cody. Please listen. And also Muhammad. Okay. Okay, so you read. Okay, so thank you very much. Okay, so class, so row 1, please read the packaging. Please stand up. Please louder your voice. Okay, so thank you very much. So you may now take your seat. Okay, so Noah Kael, please, what is your insight about the packaging? Mm-hmm. Okay, so according to Noah Kael, uh, his insight is about packaging is the method of enclosing or protecting products for storage, sale, and use. So uh, he said that packaging is all about the process. So when we are going to package the product, so he said that we must ensure safe and clean when we are going to packaging the product. So like this. So here's the good example of packaging. Okay, so as you can see, butter cookies, right? So this is the good packaging. So this is clean, safe, and attracting, right, Cody? So that is the good example of packaging. Okay, Samantha, what do you say? Okay, so Samantha, she gave another example. Okay, she said that another packaging is the safeguard. Okay, so that's right. Safeguard is the one of packaging product, right? Okay, so very good. Okay, so in terms of packaging, what is the color of this? This. Okay. What is the color of this? Muhammad. Yellow. How about this? How about this? Nancy. Huh? Brown. Okay, very good. Brown. How about this? Ali. Okay. The blue. The color blue. So, this is the one of the packaging product. Okay. Okay, so now let's proceed to the product design. Okay, row 2, please read. Stand up. Okay. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, so Cecilia, please give your insight about product design. Okay, so thank you very much. Very good. So according to Cecilia, according to Nancy rather, she said that product design, it is this is the example of product design. So in terms of packaging, we have the product design. So the product design here is in the packaging is this is the product design. As you can see, this is the design, the color, the design, the picture. So that is the what we call a product design. So it is a very important the product design to attract the customer. Yes, right. Attract the customer. So the design is very clean, clear, and safe. So that is the most important when it comes to when we are going to product design. So here's the okay. So I read the definition again. So refers to the creation of exterior of a product. So like what I said, so product design it is the most attracting. Are we clear on our copy or package product design? Okay, so what is it again? What is packaging? Okay, it's all about the process, the protection. Very good. Okay, how about the product design? Okay, very good. Okay, the design, very attracting. Okay, very good, Hagyar. Okay, so now let us proceed to the 3D paper bag. So, are you familiar with 3D paper bag? Okay, so no one. Okay, so here the 3D paper bag. Okay, so here's the 3D paper bag. Okay, so everyone please read. In 3, 2, 1, go. Louder your voice. Okay. Okay, Okay, so very good. So when we say 3D paperback, it is refers to a three-dimensional paperback design and is an object that have width, height, and depth. So here's the example of 3D paperback. So here. So as you can see, this side is the height. Okay, pay attention, Ali. Please listen. This is the height. Okay, so are you follow? This is the height. And the width is like this. And also the length. When you say length is length. Length. Okay, the length. Right? So that is a 3D paper bag. So understand what is 3D paper bag? Muhammad, Alibay, Farhana, Ali, no, Nancy. Okay, very good. So now I'm going to make a 3D paper bag. Okay, so all you have to do is to listen to me, pay attention, because later you are going to make this. Right? Okay, so all you have to do is pay attention to me. Huh? You're going to pay attention. So I have here, so here's the materials. The materials here is, first things first is the puncher, the glue. So that is a very important. Okay, scissor, and the less, and the most important is the color paper. Okay, right? Are you follow? Okay, so all you have to do is pay attention and observe. Right, Nancy? Okay, very good. So here's the first step of making a 3D paper bag is like this. First is we are going to fold like this. Fold the color paper once like this. Are you follow? Muhammad, are you follow? Okay, very good. And second is we are going to put some glue. So please observe. And you are going to, oh yes, like this. Like this. Okay. So, did you follow? Cody. So, so that is the second step, huh? And the third step is like this. You're going to observe class. You're going to fold. Again. Fold. Okay, right? And now we are going to, next is like this. Then like this. Observe, class, please listen. What is the second? What is the second classroom rules that we have? It's all about listen to your teacher. If the teacher is talking in front, you are going to listen. Just like that. Okay, and after that, we are going to fold. Like this, fold. Fold. Yes, just like that. Okay. Like this, huh, Nancy?
again. And after that, we're going to put a some glue here. Here, huh? Here. And you're going to just like that. Are you follow? Okay. Okay, so sorry. Just like that. So like this. Very good, Muhammad. And you are going to fold it. This side. Nancy, Cody, Farhana, Ali. You're going to observe class because later you have an activity about this. And this side, you're going to fold. And after that fold is you're going to crease it. Crease. Crease. Like that. Okay, so that is the like this. After that, you're going to yes, you're going to crease each side. This side is we're going to crease. When you say crease, it's just like that. Just like that. And also this side. Okay, so now we are done. So here and we are going to fold it once like this. And after that, we're going to just like this. Okay, just like that. Okay, Nancy, you see it? And after that, we are going to punch it. We're gonna use it, the puncher. So just wait because the puncher is very okay. Okay. So here's 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, it's like that. So here. And also we have here a less, diba? Right? Less. like this. So we're going to use a seesaw. Okay. So here's the, but before I forget is we have going to put a design here to make it pretty. So we're going to put a butterfly design. So what is the color of this? Okay, very good. Violet and black. Very good. Just like this. So here's our finished product, or the 3D packaging, 3D paperback, or a packaging product design. So here's my finished product earlier, and this is my ready-made paper bag. So as you can see, it's very beautiful and very useful. So you're going to put something here. Here's like this, to make it useful, like this, and like this. Like this. And it's very useful, no? Okay, so here's the finishing my finishing paper bag or 3D paper bag. Using the color paper, less, just like that. Okay, Nancy. So are we clear on that, class? Are we clear? So did you observe naman, no? Di ba? Okay. So now, so I have here a prepared activity. So are you ready? Are you ready? This row, are you ready? Okay, so you are ready. So now we have an activity time. But before that, I'm going to read the criteria that you are going to follow. Okay, first is neatness. So, neatness, I'll give 25 points. Creativity, I'll give you a 30 points. Uniqueness, I'll give you 15 points. And teamwork, I'll give you 30 points. The total of 100 points. Okay, so are we clear on that? Ali, are we clear? Fatima, this row, are we clear? Okay. Our activity is, I'll group you into two groups. Okay, so this is the group 1 and this is the group 2. Okay, so all you have to do is make a 3D paper bag. But don't worry, I have here materials that you are going to use. Huh? Okay. So, this activity, each group, I'll give 10 minutes to finish your output. Clap twice. Clap twice. Okay, so this activity, I'll give you 10 minutes. 10 minutes to finish your output. Okay. Okay, so I have here a prepared materials that you are going to use it. Okay. So this is the group 1. So here your design. And here. So you're going to share the puncher and the less to the group 2. Okay. And here's your materials. So you're going to share to the group 1, the puncher and less. Okay. So I'll give you 10 minutes. So you're going to start your activity. Okay. Very good. Wow. Very good, group 1. Very good. Okay, so 3 minutes left. Okay, 1 minute left. 1 minute left. Okay, 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Okay, so please pass your output. Okay, please pass your output. Okay, so very good. You're listening and observing. Okay, very good. Thank you very much. Because you are very participating and active when it comes to activity. Okay, so thank you very much. Okay, so I observed each group is very active and very collaborative. Each teamwork is very collaborative. So you did a good job. Thank you very much because you are listening and observing. Okay, so but before end this activity, I have here a questions. Okay, Nancy, please stand up. Okay, so okay, Nancy, please stand up. I have a questions. Okay, so my question here is, what makes you hard in making a 3D paper bag? It's all about what? It's all about cutting the color paper. Okay, so thank you very much. Very good. Nice try. Okay, how about the Israel? Okay, so Ariana, did you enjoy making a 3D paper bag? Wow! So did you enjoy well? So okay, so Ariana she said that she enjoy and calm when it comes to making a 3D paper bag. Okay, so very good, very good. Okay, now, but before we proceed to our next lesson is what lesson that we have or that we tackled today. Okay, Javier? Okay, it's all about packaging. Cindy, it's all about product design. Okay, Cody, it's all about package product design. Okay, so thank you very much. You're listening. Thank you. Very good. Okay, now, so we proceed to our quiz or evaluation. Okay, so don't worry because I provide a evaluation sheet. Okay, so get one and pass. Get one and pass.
Get one and pass. Get one and pass. Here. Okay. So here's the instruction of our quiz. So here in the direction is in your 1/2 sheet of paper, choose the letter of your best answer. Okay, choose the letter of your best answer. Okay, so did you understand? Clap twice. Okay, very good. Okay, so please, so here's the question. Number 1. What does a 3D paper bag design include? A. Only height. B. Only color. C. Width, height, and depth. And D. Only drawings. Okay, finish. Number 2. Which principle is important when combining colors in product design? Okay, A. Transparency. B. Harmony and contrast. C. Proportion. D. Balance only. Okay, number 3. What materials commonly used in making 3D paper bags in this activity? Are you followed? Okay, again. What material is commonly used in making 3D paper bags in this activity? A. Wood. B. Glass. C. Color paper. D. Metal. Okay, number 4. Why is it important to include accessories in a product design? Again, why is it important to include accessories in a product design? A. To make it heavier. B. To make it more expensive. C. To add beauty and uniqueness. D. To make it simple. Okay, number 5. What is the purpose of making a 3D product package design in art? Again, what is the purpose of making a 3D product package design in art? A. To waste materials. B. To practice handwriting. C. To express creativity and apply principles. D. To copy others' work. Okay. Okay, in the count of 10, pass your paper in front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All papers here. Okay, so very good. I hope you understand our topic today. Okay? Okay, but before we dismiss in our discussion, I have here an assignment. Okay, so what is the instruction of our assignment? Okay, the instruction here is using, okay, listen Cody, Noah Kael, listen. Okay, the instruction here or direction is using 1/2 illustration board, make a 3D paper bag. Again, using 1/2 illustration board, make a 3D paper bag. Understood? Okay, so this assignment, you're going to pass it next meeting. Right? Clap twice. Odi ha? You're not listening. Okay, so here's our criteria. The first criteria here is neatness, so I'll give you 25 points. Creativity.
you 30 points. Uniqueness, I'll give you 15 points. And the presentation, I'll give you 30 points. So, next meeting, you're going to present your finished output. Okay? Understood? Okay, so the total points here is 100 points. So we must show your skills and creativity in making a 3D paper bag using a what? 1/2. Very good. 1/2 illustration board. Okay, so before we dismiss in our class is I have here a what? I have here a goodbye song. So, did you familiar what is see you later alligator? Just like you. Alligator, see you later. Did you familiar it? Okay, so no. Okay, so this is the goodbye song. Okay, so please stand up everyone. Yeah. See you later, alligator, in a wild crocodile. Give a hug, ladybug, blow a kiss. Jellyfish, see you soon. Big baboon, at the door. Dinosaur, take care. Polar bear, wave goodbye. Butterfly. Okay, so did you get it? Okay, stand up. Stand up, Hadyar. Okay, so this is the goodbye song that we have. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, go. See you later, alligator, in a wild crocodile. Give a hug, ladybug, blow a kiss. Jellyfish, see you soon. Big baboon, at the door. Dinosaur, take care. Polar bear, wave goodbye. Butterfly. Okay, so goodbye, class. Okay, so goodbye. So thank you for participating. See you next meeting. Goodbye.